Now this is class ninth. It is common for both A and B. Subject science, and here biology. And we are studying lesson natural resources. Natural resources. And in this natural resources there are a few questions, and we have to solve these questions. MCQ questions. So first there are a few MCQ question, multiple choice questions. First, multiple choice questions. Multiple choice questions. So first, listen the question. The air has highest percentage of. First question. The air has highest percentage of. Three options are given. A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. And C. Nitrogen. So first question, the air has highest percentage of three options are there. A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. And C is nitrogen. In the same way, we are giving few more questions. Second question, which one is not a fossil fuel? Second question, which one is not a fossil fuel? Which one is not a fossil fuel? A. Coal. A. Coal. B. Petrol. C is wood. So three options are there. You have to choose the correct answer. In the same way, third question, which organisms are considered good indicators of air pollution? Once again, listen the question. Question number third, which organisms are considered good indicators of air pollution. So this is question number 3. Third question. Which organisms are considered good indicators of air pollution? The options are A. Algae, B. Fungi, and C. Lichens, and D. Ferns. Once again, listen the options. A. Algae, B. Fungi, C. Lichens, and D. Ferns. Now, next question you will write question 4th. Fourth question, listen. Which gas is released in the atmosphere by burning of fossil fuels? Once again, listen the question. Which gas is released in the atmosphere by burning of fossil fuels? So, options, you listen. One is nitrogen oxide, NO2, second option carbon dioxide, CO2, C. sulfur dioxide, SO2, and D. O2, oxygen. So these options are there. Once again, listen the options. A. NO2, B. CO2, C. SO2, and D. O2. 4 options are there. Now next question. Question 5th. After 4th, you listen 5th question. In winter, the major air pollutant which reduces visibility and is a traffic hazard is. Once again, listen the question. In winter, the major air pollutant which reduces visibility and is a traffic hazard is. Options are there. A. Fog, B. Mist, C. Smog, 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 and D. Automobile exhausts, and D. Automobile exhausts. Now next question. Question number 6. The major component of the atmosphere in Venus and Mars planet is. Once again, listen the question. The major component of the atmosphere in Venus and Mars planet is. Options. A. Oxygen, B. Nitrogen, C. Carbon dioxide, and D. Helium. So 4 options are there. Once again, listen you. The question: the major component of the atmosphere in Venus and Mars planet is A. Options are four options are there. A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Carbon dioxide. And D. Helium. Now, next question. Question number 7. The biotic component of biosphere is not constituted by. Once again, listen the question. The biotic component of biosphere is not constituted by. Four options are there. A. Producers. B. Consumers. C. Decomposers. And D. Air. Four options are there. Once again, listen. Biotic component of biosphere is not constituted by A. Producers. B. Consumers. C. Decomposers. And D. Air. You have to choose the correct one. Now, next question 8. Now, growth of lichens on barren rocks is followed by the growth of. Once again, listen the question. Growth of lichens on barren rocks is followed by the growth of. Four options are there. A. Mosses. B. Ferns. C. Gymnosperms. And D. Algae. Four options are there. Once again, listen the options. A. Mosses. B. Ferns. C. Gymnosperms. And D. Algae. These are the four options. So, now, if you very short answer type of question, later we can complete write the questions today. Very short answer type questions. So first question, you may write. What is acid rain? First question, what is acid rain? Second question, so first question, these are the very short answers question, and so first question is, what is acid rain? First question, what is acid rain? And second question, name the indicators of air pollution. Name the indicators of air pollution. And so thanks that part today only. Thank you.